Is the Python for Data Science course on Coursera actually worth it? And can it really help you get started in data science? In this video, I'll give you a quick and honest review so you can decide if it's the right course for you. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take more than one course, Coursera Plus is usually a better option. You get access to multiple courses under one plan, which makes it easier to build a full data science skill set. I've linked it below if you want to explore it. Now let's talk about the course. The program is Python for Data Science, AI, and Development by IBM. This is one of the most popular beginner-level courses on Coursera, with over 40,000 reviews and a rating of around 4.6 out of 5. It's designed for beginners, so you don't need any prior programming experience. The course starts with Python basics. You'll learn things like variables, data types, loops, and functions. Then it moves into data-focused skills. You'll work with libraries like NumPy and Pandas, which are essential for data analysis. You'll also learn how to use Jupyter Notebooks, which are commonly used in real data science workflows. One of the biggest strengths of this course is its practical approach. You'll work with real data, learn how to access APIs, and even do basic web scraping. That means you're not just learning theory, you're actually applying what you learn. Another advantage is flexibility. The course is self-paced, so you can learn on your own schedule. Now let's talk about who this is best for. This course is ideal if you are starting from zero and want to move into data science. It's also useful if you want to understand how Python is used in real-world data analysis. But if you already know Python basics, this might feel a bit slow. In that case, you may want a more advanced course. Now let's be honest. This course gives you a strong foundation, but it won't make you job ready on its own. You still need to practice, build projects, and continue learning. So, is it worth it? If you're a beginner looking for a practical introduction to Python for data science, then yes, this is one of the best starting points on Coursera, especially when combined with other courses. That's where Coursera Plus becomes useful again. You can continue learning data analysis, machine learning, and other skills without paying for each course separately. If you want to explore this course or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.